Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is Buko Graham Float. Yes, that's right. So today I will be sharing with you how to make a new and delicious dessert recipe. And this time we're going to use our favorite buko. So if you're interested to learn a new dessert recipe, please keep on watching. Let's check out the ingredients. Graham crackers, crushed graham, creme densada, and buko. hope you enjoy watching this video, and for the complete recipe details, please check on this video description. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you click on that little bell so you will get a notification every time we upload a new video. You can also follow and like us on our Facebook page. We're also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And if you also wanted to check out more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. And in case you're interested to check on Masflex cookware products, I will put their link on this video description as well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye! Masflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.